In this lesson, we're looking at how we use some and any in English.
And you're also going to see how we make lentil soup.
We've had a lot of requests for this one.
What, lentil soup?
No, some and any.
Oh.
Before we start, here's a quick reminder about countable and uncountable nouns. In English, some nouns are countable. 1, 2, 2 onions.
3 carrots.
And some English nouns are uncountable. We can't count them. Salt.
Soup.
Countable nouns can be singular or plural. We use a singular verb form with singular nouns and a plural verb form with plural nouns. Uncountable nouns always take a singular verb form. Great, so now we're ready for some work with some and any. We use both these words with countable and uncountable nouns. So let's get cooking and see them in action.
We're making lentil soup today. It's great for vegetarians and vegans.
Jay went vegan about 6 months ago, so he doesn't eat any meat or any fish.
And no dairy products, so no cow's milk or cheese.
Or eggs.
That's right. I don't eat any food that had a face or a mother.
Okay, here are some of our ingredients. We have some lentils, some celery, and an onion.
An old onion and a hot pepper.
Can you get some carrots out of the fridge?
How many?
About 3 or 4.
Okay.
And do we have any tomatoes?
No.
It doesn't matter. And is there any stock?
There's some.
Oh, good. I've got some here.
How old is it?
It smells okay.
Stock is a liquid we use in soup.
It's made by cooking meat or bones in water.
But this wasn't made with meat.
No, this was made with vegetables.
Great. I'll cut up the onion and you can cut up the celery.
Okay. So I was surprised when Jay went vegan because you used to love meat and fish. Why did you go vegan?
It was for health reasons. It's good for my heart and I've lost weight, about 17 pounds so far.
Excellent. So if you want to lose some weight, go vegan.
It's good for the environment and for animals, of course.
Finished?
Yes.
Okay, this soup is very simple. We just put the vegetables in the pot, add some stock and cook it.
Shall I add all the lentils?
Just some.
Okay. Let's try it.
Okay, we need a spoon.
Oh, there aren't any in the drawer.
Look in the dishwasher.
Sure. This one?
Yes, any spoon will do. You try it.
Sure. It's a bit tasteless.
Can you get me some salt?
Sure. Do you want some pepper too?
Yes.
Oh, and we forgot the hot pepper.
Oh, let's put some in.
Vicky said some, but I think I'll put it all in.
We're going to try it again. So what do these words mean and when do we use them? We'll start with some. We use some to talk about a limited number or quantity.
Shall I add all the lentils?
Just some.
Okay. Vicky said some, but I think I'll put it all in.
So some means a limited amount, not all. And we use it with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns, but not singular countable nouns. With singular countables, we say a or one.
How can everyone tell if a noun is countable or uncountable?
Good question. You just have to learn them one by one, but we'll make another video about that later.
It's interesting because salt and rice are uncountable, but lentils are countable.
Yes, lentils are countable.
1 lentil, 2 lentils, 3 lentils, 4 lentils, 5 lentils, 6 lentils, 7 lentils, 8.
We use some when we don't know or we don't want to say an exact number or quantity.
906, 907, 908, 909.
Jay, let's just say there are some lentils.
There are some lentils.
So some is vague. It means a number bigger than 1, but it's indefinite. Can you get some carrots out of the fridge?
How many?
About 3 or 4.
Okay.
And is there any stock?
There's some.
Oh, good. Now, what about any? Any is similar. Again, it's an indefinite number or quantity, and again, we use it with plural countable and uncountable nouns. But any also has a negative meaning. Any can mean none. Jay went vegan about 6 months ago, so he doesn't eat any meat or any fish.
And no dairy products, so no cow's milk or cheese.
Or eggs.
That's right. I don't eat any food that had a face or a mother.
So Jay doesn't eat any meat, any fish, any eggs. It means he eats none of them. So now you know the meanings of some and any, and it's time to learn some grammar rules. Here's a useful basic rule. Use some in positive sentences, use any in negative sentences and questions. This rule doesn't work all the time, but it's a great starting point. If I have elementary students, I teach them this rule. We have some lentils, some celery, and an onion. We need a spoon.
Oh, there aren't any in the drawer.
Do we have any tomatoes?
No.
This is the basic rule you want to follow in positive sentences, negatives, and questions. Are there exceptions to this rule? Of course. An important one is requests and offers. They're special. Can you get me some salt?
Sure. Do you want some pepper too?
Yes. So here's rule 2. In questions where we're asking for things or offering things, we say some. So in normal questions, you'd say any. But if the questions are requests or offers, say some. Got it? Good, because now we're going to shift up a level for rule 3. Are you ready? We use any in positive sentences when we mean it doesn't matter which one. Look in the dishwasher.
Sure. This one?
Yes, any spoon will do. There are lots of spoons in the dishwasher. It doesn't matter which one you choose because they're all okay. Another example.
I'm hungry.
Well, there's soup in the fridge.
Oh, really? What's this?
Tomato soup. And there's pea soup and also lentil soup.
Which one can I have?
Any one you like. They're all vegan.
Great.
So any can mean it's all the same. It doesn't matter which one. As your English goes up in level, you're going to find this useful. So make sure you've subscribed to our channel so we can tell you more about it. And in the meantime, these are the key rules you need to know about some and any.
If you've enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend.
Yes. See you all next week, everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye.